Conservation and nature do not recognize borders. We need nature to survive. Conservation will take an international effort across this world to be successful.
We are living in a world that is evolving very rapidly. With that understanding, there are also a lot of opportunities, including in the area of conservation.
We need clean air, clean water. We need food that is healthy. We need terrific advocates for preserving this world, for biodiversity, for the support of communities.
The field of conservation fell behind the evolution of our world. It didn't keep pace, it was too static.
It starts with the question of how do we reshape the field of conservation? What do we do in this rapidly accelerating world of change? A school like this is just urgently needed.
What we found is that what was needed was anything other than the normal notion of a university school. What we needed was an organization capable of facilitating teaching and learning. We needed to find a way to match indigenous knowledge, indigenous science, indigenous technology with modern knowledge, modern science, modern technology at an unbelievably exciting intersection of cultures, teaching methodologies, knowledge, know-how.
To accomplish what we need to in conservation, we need leaders. We need educated young people who have a passion for this work, but we need an institution like ASU which can address this at scale as ASU works, but also leaders that will be in communities around the world.
There is nothing that exists that is like this new school. We know lots of things, and the trouble is that we don't always get that academic knowledge out into the world to solve problems, and that's what this conservation school will do.
I'm excited about the School of Conservation Futures because young people bring energy, bring ideas, and creativity to this field, and we need that.
We recognize that we are living in a world that is changing at a high pace, so conservation has to be highly dynamic to be able to adjust to these changes that the world is undergoing.
And so the exciting thing about the School for Conservation Futures is that it really is this unbelievable opportunity from ground zero with substantial input from conservation complexities around the world and peoples around the world and leaders around the world, all types of workers, all types of thinkers, all types of leaders, not just a few. New knowledge and old knowledge could come together to produce new kinds of solutions.
The challenges seem very complex, they're very urgent, and at the same time, there are things that we can do, and we can do them together.
I'm excited to see a world where conservation is just the way we operate in our day-to-day lives, the way businesses operate, the way we all think about what we do.
Students know they can make a difference through working in the field, through tackling problems, through leading projects. It will be learning in action, learning in practice, learning through project-based work, through immersive experiences. We're really thinking about how do we build the conservation workforce of the future. The School of Conservation Futures was made possible by the commitment, the vision, and the generosity of Rob Walton.
These programs will bridge science, policy, economics, and prepare graduates to make a major positive difference in the world of conservation and sustainability. They will be professionals, not just those with a passion for this work, but they'll know how to apply that passion to the benefit of us all.